Most companies are really shocked by how long it takes to do an AI or automation project. My name's Jamie Claret from Autonomy, and this is Questions from the Boardroom, where we tackle the big questions that leaders are asking. So I guess the big question is, why does it take so long to get AI and automation projects? Unfortunately, a lot of people have been sold a bit of a dud in terms of what they think. So if you go onto LinkedIn, if you just read the news or anything, what you're going to be told is that AI is going to save the world or demolish the world, depending on which way you look at it. And ultimately, it's going to fix all your problems. It's plug and play. You buy Microsoft Copilot or you get ChatGPT or one of these other many systems, and you're going to plug it into your system and it's going to fix everything. I hate to tell you, I've got some bad news. The reality is not this at all. At all. There is a lot of work that goes into making sure that automations and AI work properly. Essentially, we need to understand your systems, your data, the technology, and probably most importantly, the people. The people need to have the buy-in and the understanding. So at the very start, what we're going to be doing is looking at your overall system. Where does this particular process or element or workflow in the business fit into the bigger picture? That involves speaking to people, kind of leadership meetings, speaking to the right experts in that particular process and area. And we need to map that. We then need to be able to see what data you have and the quality of the data. The quality of the data is really important. Again, everyone thinks that data is going to just be sorted out by AI, but the reality is that it's not. And then the last thing we need to do is map those processes. And the tricky bit here is that a lot of companies have never mapped their systems before. They've got no standard operating procedures or documented processes and things like that. So there's a lot of heavy lifting that goes in to setting this up. That first project is always going to take the longest. We need to speak to IT, whether it's internal or external. We need to speak to people. We need to go through the processes and the systems, document it, get it signed off. But after that first one, two things happen. Number one is people look at the project and they go, wow, it can do this. It can save me time. Brilliant. We want to do more of this. And the second really big thing is that because we now have all this information, we're able to produce and do more automations and AI far more quickly. So whoever you speak to, whoever you use as your provider to help you with this, or if you're doing it internally, just be prepared. It is always going to take longer than expected. And there is going to be frustration because people want this to happen quickly. But trust me, if you do it well and you spend that time and put all the groundwork in early, you're going to get major successes. And then you're going to be able to grow from there. Thanks very much.